Oh boy, can we go to the grocery store? I need some garlic. Going to the grocery store, going to the grocery store, go. Do you want to go to the grocery store with us? Can they come? He says yes. We're gonna have so much fun. Come along. Sweetie darling, come help mommy. Walking down the street, walking down the road. Let's go to the grocery store, darling. Walking down the road. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Oh yeah, I'm the princess of the spaghetti squash. This one. Kale. We need 13 avocados. What have you got there? Dixie peach. Peach flavored juice blend with peach and apple purees. It's real juice. You forget that it actually has more sugar than soda, some of this stuff, but it's very, very tasty. Thanks, Trader Joe's.
Let's play a game of Do You Know What I Wish? First contestant, what do you wish?
I wish the parsley and cilantro weren't in plastic bags.
Yeah, boo, plastic bags.
Yeah, boo.
Join us on our journey through apple strudel without any allergens or bleached white. What are those things called? Carbs. It's a carbless meal, darling. There's not a single carb in these apples. Zero carbs. Do you want a cantaloupe? Please? Daddy?
We should get some cone of coffee.
I'll give you $1 if you go vegetarian.
Okay.
Friends, we have reached the holy grail.
Protein veggie burger. Oh. Just get all of them, get all of them, get all of them. More. Get all of them.
Darling, I think we only need one bar.
Let's hear it for pea protein. My life. Vitamin. That's fine. When you feel awkward, just get down on your hands and knees. We're doing makeovers in the wine aisle, darling. We're wigging the system. Yes, there we are. Oh, be in the air, yes, Walmart. Hello, $4.
Okay, then you want some bread?
Beat that, Walmart. Come on now.
Yeah, take that, Wally World. Yeah. Yeah, very sexy.
I think 10 bottles is enough for the two of us.
I think so.
Well, how long?
That's the question.
Yeah, that's the question.
We came in for milk.
Yeah, well, I mean, the milk of life. Just growing some fresh locks here today, Trader Joe's.
And drinking on the job.
Hey, it's only illegal if you get caught, am I right?
Purple Republic.
Purple Republic?
Yeah.
I'll look for Purple Republic.
.us is the website.
.us. Bye.
Tell me ready.
What'd you come back with, Jimmy?
I'm just nuts for nuts. Oh, look, did we get our milk? Zoom in here. We came for milk. $400. It is so expensive eating broccoli. We need a job, girl. We need a job. I get $50 cash back, free ginger snaps, free coffee, free juice, free chicken something, but I'm a vegetarian. And that's how you do the grocery store. Buy bubbles and bubbles. How do you think Daddy's going to feel about... Sweetie, darling, Mommy needs the keys, darling. Mommy loves you.